Hey everybody, it's Ryan from GoodData coming at you live from the Gartner Data and Analytics Conference here in London, and I am joined today by Jan and Michael from Mews. Why don't you go ahead and introduce yourselves, guys?
Right, so Michael, Director of Engineering.
My name is Jan Raj and I'm the Senior Product Director.
Yeah, and so the three of us presented yesterday here at Gartner. It was very cool. I think it was the first time the three of us, any of us, had ever presented at a Gartner conference. So that was really something special. But I wanted to have you guys on just to talk about, the project we're working on together. I mean, let's start by asking, what is Mews? Like, what do you guys do?
Right, so Mews has basically started as a SaaS product that we call a property management system, but we talk about it right now as a hospitality cloud. You can imagine it basically as a heart of operation for every hotel. So everything around reservations, bookkeeping, analytics, payment processing, housekeeping, pretty much everything needs to go through something, and that something is usually Mews.
Yeah, and what are your roles at Mews specifically? Like, what is it you guys are trying to deliver?
Sure. So, we have tribe-specific products, and in our case, we are the revenue tribe, but we originally started as doing the product called multi-property. So this is module for headquarters to have centralized operations and control over all the operations Michael just mentioned. So you can imagine it's a lot around rates, but also about users of the system, user security. Currently, we are more switching to the revenue part. So we're also investigating analytics. And our main goal is to make hotels and customers that run on Mews to be more profitable than the ones running on different systems. That's our main goal. And we do that through a lot of discovery and validations and a lot of frequent talks and testing with the customers.
Gotcha. That's very cool. So now let's talk about the presentation a little bit. We're working together. We're one of your technology partners that you're using to help deliver these analytics. What is the overall vision for analytics at Mews?
Right. So the overall vision, we really want to build up a new product that the industry has not seen yet. So obviously all the systems, and we've heard it here at the conference as well, are pretty much looking backwards, analyzing what has happened. The better ones analyze why it happened, but nobody so far analyzes what's going to happen.
Yeah.
So we really want to move from this descriptive to model to being more prescriptive and predictive. And although it sounds buzzwordy, I think we provided some pretty good examples in the presentation yesterday.
Yeah.
Meaning that the system can give you automatic tips when you see your competitors are decreasing prices or including or creating new packages and including breakfast or products as such. So our main vision is to really give customers a new option to be more efficient, but to also control the labor and the workforce, because we know that's very costly and the turnover in hospitality is very high.
Yeah. Then how is it that GoodData helps you with that? Like, where are you on that journey, and how does GoodData help?
Right, so this is a really hard problem, right? You know it probably better than us. So we pretty quickly realized that we do have some analytic solutions or BI solution, but that it's been outdated 2 years ago. And if we want to really step up our game and we want to get into AI and insights and basically prescriptive BI, we could either build the whole pipeline ourselves, hire the right talent, and basically gain the knowledge, and that would take us most likely years. Or we can partner with somebody who actually knows what they are doing,
Yeah.
and do it in collaboration, right? And that's why we are here with you.
Yeah. Well, I'm flattered you think we know what we're doing, right? So we must be doing something right. No. It was really exciting to present with you guys. I think we had a good turnout. We got good feedback on it. A lot of people who watched the presentation were quite satisfied with it. Unfortunately, I think that I don't think Gartner makes these available otherwise. So it was a you had to be there kind of thing. If you're watching, I'm sorry for the FOMO. But overall, what we were talking about is like how to deliver profitable data products. And I think one of the things you've hit on is one of the things you need to do is select the right partner. Right?
Oh, yeah.
Someone who knows how to make your customers successful. What do you guys think just of the conference in general? Is this your first time at a Gartner conference?
Oh yeah, it's my first time, and I had a total blast. You can see that this is an epicenter of everybody around data. The lecturers and a lot of interesting partners. I really liked it. How about you, Jan?
Likewise, I think it's my first time as well, and obviously a first time as a presenter. But I really enjoyed some of the content from the talks around. This keynote was very interesting, and some specific use cases related to our industry as well. So I really enjoyed it. I think it's a good source of insights.
What would you say is like the main theme or message of the conference? Has there been one?
For me, it's data governance and master data management, which is coming kind of back retrospectively.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, definitely MDM and totally AI, and actually governance around AI, and maybe even the ethical questions around AI. It was super interesting for me.
It does seem like from the stuff I've seen that there is a lot of, AI is like the end goal, but the conference has been a lot about what do you need to do to actually get there, which is really useful. It's a really useful message to deliver right now. Like you cannot just, spin something up in a week on ChatGPT and expect good results. There's a lot of work that needs to go in ahead of time, and I think Gartner's been communicating that pretty clearly.
Oh yeah.
All right. Well, we're going to go ahead and wrap it up there. I want to thank you guys for joining us here, and both on this interview, but also for coming with us to the conference. It was such a pleasure to meet you both in person and present with you. It went really well. So I know we're really happy here at GoodData that to have Mews as a partner. And thank you guys for coming.
Yeah. Thank you so much for the invite.
Yeah. And thank you for watching. And stay
Thank you.
tuned to our LinkedIn channel for more interviews like this in the future. Bye, everybody.